So we built this entire package, uh, and now, it started out as just an SOP machine, which we can do those easily now, to now where we've built a series of guides and tools that really what it does is it will consistently help you learn how to communicate your messaging better, because the process that which we take you through on how to develop content and use all the AI stack properly, it will make you, it literally will retrain your brain on how to deliver your message, and will help you be insanely more efficient. Because one of the biggest issues I had with my teams over the years is, as I have these ideas and I come into my, team meetings, and I kind of just throw up all these amazing ideas that I have onto my team, and there's no clarity around what problem we're actually solving, what activities or actions I need my team to make next. Uh, and you would have your team would just take whatever they heard, and they would just run off and go try to implement, all these great ideas that you have. And it ended up just costing me crazy money, hundreds of thousands of dollars in, I'll call it damages, um, because I didn't learn how to articulate the one thing or the two things that needed to get done efficiently and effectively, because I didn't know how to communicate my message well. And I could look at my team's eyes as I'm trying to deliver this idea. And in my mind, I have perfect context. So what I'm saying to them sounds perfect and amazing, and they should go run with it. What they're hearing is wah, 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 wah. And, this spattering of all kinds of different crazy ideas. And then eventually I get around to the point, and they're so lost because they're still thinking about idea number 2, and we're on idea number 12, which was the final idea, and they don't know what to do. And so by using this methodology in the legacy platform, I saw how this machine was helping me craft my messaging and my deliverable, because I would dictate my idea. The machine would take it, auto index it into my kind of private LLM. Then it would feed back based on this beautiful prompt that we have, different prompts that we have in our prompt machine. It would give me back this amazing piece of content, and I would have it read in my boy Davis's voice, and I'd listen back from this other voice reading my content back to me. And so what it did is it started training me on the things that I missed, even though as I was delivering it, I thought I was in perfect context, because I am. It's in my own mind. So the words coming out are just bits and pieces of the context. So I had to learn how to fill in the rest of the story. And that's what Legacy Maker does at the greatest level, because I can deliver my content and I can listen back to it quickly. And when I can listen back to it, I realize all the missing pieces of that deliverable. And once I started seeing this, and you can ask anyone on my team now, my top team that I communicate with directly, and my level of clarity and communication has probably saved us 7 figures in the last couple of years, because I've been able to articulate very clearly what very specifically I need done. I need to understand. And by doing this, I've also helped my team significantly learn how to communicate their messaging to me.